everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I went to the farmer's market this morning, then I picked up some fresh vegetables. What I have here on the cutting board right now, these are golden beets. They're nice, they were grown right here in North Carolina. So we're gonna work with these. We're gonna make a nice dish with this. We have some rutabagas here, which is a vegetable not a lot of people I see using online, but we're gonna make something really good with these rutabagas. And then we have some heirloom tomatoes here. So I got a yellow one, a green one, an orange one, and a red one. We're gonna make a rainbow tomato salad with that. So I just wanted to show you what I have before I start preparing it. First thing we're gonna do is these beets. I'm gonna get them cleaned up. I'm gonna cut off these tops, get them cleaned up, get them ready for the roasting pan, and then we're gonna make a nice beet dish with that. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna roast off the beets here. I cut the tops of them off. I peeled them some here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna season them up. We have my seasoning blend here is some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder in here. Just add a little seasoning to it, and we have some olive oil here. So this is a real easy process. What we're gonna do is we have some aluminum foil here. We'll take one of these smaller beets here and just a little dab of olive oil there, and put the seasoning right in there. And you just kind of wrap it up here in a little package. Just like that. And then put it in the roasting pan. So let's do another one here. This is a larger one, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on them because I don't want them to overcook. The smaller ones will cook faster than the larger ones. Seasoning on there. And I'm just gonna wrap it up just like that. So I'm gonna finish off these last two here, and we're gonna get this in the oven. I'm gonna put it in a 400-degree oven. It should take about 30-40 minutes for them to get tender, and then once they're tender, we'll take them out and we'll start finishing up our dish. All right, so we have our beets ready for the oven. I have the temperature set at 385. I decided to go with 385 instead of 400. This oven gets very hot, so you can adjust the temperature according to your oven, how it cooks. So we have that, and we got it set for 30 minutes at 385. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. I do believe the smaller ones will be ready in 30 minutes. The larger ones may take a little longer. There's larger ones right here. So if they do, we'll just put them in for another 10 minutes and see how that turns out. So in the oven they go. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now, timer went off. Let's just see what we have here. We're gonna slide this out. Just gonna feel these smaller ones. They should be soft, which these ones are, the small ones are. The big one is not, so. All right, so I'm gonna take the small beets out, and we're gonna put the larger ones back in for another 10-15 minutes. All right, everybody, we're back now, and we have roasted our beets. Here they are. We roasted them in the oven. It actually took 30 minutes for the small ones and about 45 minutes for the large beet. You want it to get soft, fork soft, so you can stick a fork into it. And we're gonna complete our dish with some mixed greens here that we have, some fresh mixed greens. We have some goat cheese right here, the goat cheese. We have some chives that I was lucky enough to find in the market today, some chives, some parsley, fresh parsley. I found some baby rainbow carrots, so we're gonna use some of that. And we also have some fresh radishes that I sliced as well. We're just gonna use a simple vinaigrette. I like the Ken's brand of salad dressing, so I just bought a bottle of this. Makes it easy, you don't have to mix it up. So I'm gonna put this plate together, show you what it looks like when we're all done with our golden roasted beet plate. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so we finished plating up our dish, and what we have here is basically a vegetarian dish. We have the golden beets, they're sliced, they're underneath here. I use a mandolin to slice the beets and to slice the radishes. So the radishes are garnishing around the edge of the plate. We have the parsley here as well. We have our golden carrots or rainbow carrots. They're baby rainbow carrots there. The mixed greens here along with the goat cheese. So from here you can choose your favorite salad dressing. If you want to add some crunch to this, you can add like some sesame sticks or some croutons or whatever you like to add a little crunch to the dish. It's always good to have something crunchy on it as well. So choose your favorite salad dressing and try this at home. It's a nice dish. It's good, cool for the summertime. So I want to thank everybody for viewing WillieDeans Kitchen, and you have a nice day.